So this is my new Blinkies board for the original series Enterprise, the Polar Lights 1 through 50 model kit. The board itself is this over here. It's round now because it's going to go on the back of the nav deflector dish, the ring assembly that slides into the hull from the kit. I needed to put that inside the model itself because the base was getting filled up with some other circuit board stuff. So it fits perfectly on the back of the dish. It uses an A-Star 328 PB board, which is 5 volt, 20 megahertz, and that speed is needed in order to run through the looping code to blink these lights without any mistakes. It uses pulse width modulation in order to do the fade up and fade down, and that applies to all the Blinkies as well as the amber ones. They kind of pulse. It's hard to see in the video, but they slowly pulse up and down, not completely off, but pulse a bit to give it some life. And I had to use the A-Star board because it has enough PWM pins to do all these. So there's one each for the running lights and strobes, and then there's 5 for the Blinkies, and then there's another one for the amber boards. So the strobes blink at a different rate. That's these here. Those ones are on the back of the secondary hull. There's blink faster than the ones in the saucer. That's these over here. Of course, it's all controlled by the Arduino codes. You can make it blink faster or slower, whatever you want. The saucer running lights are timed to the opening of the Tholian web, where I think it's a 1.5 second on and 1/2 second off. And then the Blinkies all blink at random rates, and they keep changing, so it should change as you go along. You can see that on the board, although there's 5 Blinkies, each 5 then goes to 3 LEDs. So there's I think 15 total LEDs that blink on this board, plus the 5 amber lights.